Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is C'Aira. Today's video, we're going couponing. So it's roughly about 8:07 in the morning and I'm literally heading straight over to Family Dollar. So the good thing is that they literally just opened up. It takes me about roughly 5 minutes to get there. So I'm gonna head over, and then I also have a bag here that needs to be taken back. This is $25 worth of stuff from Family Dollar from last weekend where the deal did not go great. So as I mentioned in my other couponing video, if a deal doesn't work for me, I either need to learn to substitute the right way or just not do the deal. So prime example, one of the deals was for me, like I think that I accidentally picked up all of these Gain dish soaps, right? So I picked up all of these Gain dish soaps. So it's about like 5 or 6 in here. The problem with it is that when I got to the counter for my last transaction, I had nothing but 5 Gain dish detergents and then 2 hand soaps. So that was $13.55. Nothing came off of this ticket. So I didn't like it, but I didn't have time to think. I also didn't have time to just, say, you know what, I don't want it. No, thank you. Whatever the case may be. So, I also have 2 other Dial hand soaps, and then a Degree deodorant, and one other thing and toothpaste, and another thing to give back. Like I said, no coupons. So yeah, lesson learned. But anyways, let's get ready to go coupon, as I have 4 deals that I'm going to get ready to do. I am going to show you guys the deals as I'm working on creating the cart for that. I'm thinking about getting just 1 buggy and then 4 small carts. That way I'm not confused or all over the place. So I'll show you guys the deals on my paper that I have written down. I'll show you guys the price range that it's supposed to be. And then I'll also show you guys if the price came out to be in that price range, but I'll also show you the items that I got for the deal. All right, so deal number 1 I'm going in to do is to get Poise pads, 28 count, for $6, Arm & Hammer for $5.50, Gain fabric softener for $4.50, Dove deodorant, $5.75, shaving gel, hopefully, for $3, and then toothpaste and Suave for $2.15. This is with the coupons being taken off, so I did add that on. My total should come out to be in between $13 and $16. Let's see if I can do it. Alright, so deal number 2, Charmin toilet paper for $5, 2 Dial, $3 each, Gain flings, $4.50, Gain fireworks, which will be $4.50, Tide Pods, $5.50, CoverGirl brow pencil, $5, and Poise pads, 28 count. Should bring me out to $14 and $20. Alright, I need a Gain flings. So I think I'm gonna do this one. 14 count. Alright, so here's my cart. I have already went through. Got what I needed. As far as all this good stuff. Here I go up to the front.
There's no ID found. $14.50.
Okay. So here's my cart. Heading back over to my car to put everything in. All right, now that I'm back in the car, let's go ahead and talk about these deals. First of all, put some sanitizer on my hands. All right, so anyways, let's start with the simple fact. Let's chit chat about something. All right, so I got my papers out and I'm gonna reflect back to the deals that I wrote down and we'll just start there. So deal number one, which was the Poise pads, Arm & Hammer, Gain fabric softener, Dove deodorant, the shaving gel, and then the toothpaste, right? So that right there, let's see. Okay, that right there came out to $14.51, as you can see in my receipt here. $14.51. The only thing that did not come off was the Skintimate shaving gel. Not sure why, but as you guys can see, everything else came off, and that is what you want to happen. Otherwise, you don't want it. So luckily, if I would not have spent that $3.20, it probably would have been $10. So I did spend right around the range that I said I was going to, because this is $14.51, and I said it's going to be in between $13 and $16. So deal number one went smooth. All right, deal number 6 was supposed to be in between $14 and $20. All right, so deal number 2 was the Charmin toilet paper, the Dial ×2, Game Flings 12 to 14 count Game Fireworks, Tide Pods, CoverGirl brow pencil, and Poise pads. So I did get all of that on my receipt. Unfortunately, for some reason, it was a little bit more because, like I said, these prices are not always the way that they're supposed to be. So this is what I said it would be in between, and this is the price that I actually paid, $21.17. So as you can see on my receipt here, everything came off with the coupons. The simple fact that I was told, oh, these are the prices for that. The Dial is not $3 each. The Dial was $4.90 now, so that was a $1.90 difference for both. So $1.90 and $1.90, roughly about $2 and something cent. So yeah, I went over maybe by $1.17, but it really should have been under that. But you guys need to always make sure you check in your local stores. All right, so let's talk about deal number 3. Deal number 3 was the Tone Body Wash, Gain Flings 12 to 14 count, Gain Fireworks, Poise pads, and the Irish Spring 2 count. You need to get 2 of the 8 count bar soaps or the soft soaps ×2. And so my total was supposed to be in between $13 and $16. Let's see if I made that deal. All right, so it looks like here, this is what my receipt says for deal number 3. $17.96. So it looks like I went over by $1.96. I'm not sure what exactly happened on this deal, but let's just check. So as you can see here, everything came off except for the Poise pads. Not sure why. So I think that was what threw me off, the Poise pads, and then the Tone came off. So yeah, if it wasn't for the Poise pads, I probably would have spent less than what I really wanted. So this is still a great deal. I just, obviously something went wrong with the Poise pad. All right, let's check out deal number 4. So deal number 4 was the Gain Flings, 12 to 14 count, the Gain Sheets, Arm & Hammer Liquid, Axe Deodorant 1.7 ounce, Degree 1.7 ounce for men's, Bounty Essentials and Soft Soap ×2, which I added on at the last minute in the store because I could not find the Gain dryer sheets, but I think I substituted that for the actual liquid. So I end up getting everything, like as you can see, everything came off here except for, once again, the Degree Sport. Not sure why, even though that was what I was supposed to get for $2.35. So maybe I needed to just get a higher one, I'm not sure. So the $2.20 not coming off of that is what threw me off from it not being a little bit over 11. But I also added on the soft soap deal onto this so that I could have extra body wash. So yeah, $18.23 was my total for that, even though it was supposed to be $11.35 plus tax. Gain sheets, Gain dryer sheets was not in the store. The big pack was, not the small one. So this is what I needed, 105 count. So with not getting that, I substituted for the Gain fabric softener, and then I also added on the soft soap. So that's what happened with that deal. Guys, don't be afraid to add on. So yeah, guys, don't be afraid to add on to your couponing if you would like. If the deal, you know, looks great to you, don't be afraid to add on. I definitely am going to start saving receipts and, you know, trying to see how much I'm really saving doing the couponing, especially when I'm creating a stockpile for myself. So I keep it in this little journal right here that my secret pal gave to me. Good. 6, 7, 8, 9 bags of couponing. All right, y'all. So I'm home. Let me go ahead and show y'all my 4 deals that I got. I'm also going to show the receipt on the screen just so you guys can see that ain't no faking this. This is couponing. Now, I'm not extreme couponing because I don't have the actual paper coupons or like the ones that you cut out of the Sunday paper. But here we go. All right, so deal 1, which was $14.51. All right, so as you can see, these 8 items for $21.17. All right, so these 7 items were only $17.96. And this was deal number 3. And this is deal number 4. All right, so here are the 8 items that I got for a total of $18.23. The only thing that didn't go right with this deal was the Degree, but that's okay. So thanks guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss another video.